Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my amazing channel, my name is Atinike. So this is the nail color we are going to be using to achieve this lovely DIY coils wig, using Brazilian wool to achieve these gorgeous coils. Yes, we are going to be making use of Brazilian wool to achieve these gorgeous coils. So this is the Brazilian wool we are going to be using. Then we are going to be needing a brush, scissors, and your Brazilian wool and your nail color. The coil looks like a nail. Yes, like a nail. All these cool nails. So you can see what I'm doing. We are not yet starting with the coils. No, we are not coiling it now. I want to achieve the length I'm going to cut the Brazilian wool into. So that is what I'm doing. So I'm going to do it like this first so that I can achieve the perfect length I'm going to cut my Brazilian wool into. So can you please keep on watching this amazing tutorial, and do not forget to click on the like button. I really appreciate that so much. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a new subscriber, do not forget to subscribe. And if you've not subscribed, I really appreciate you for watching. Can you please click on that subscribe button so you can see what I did now? I've already gotten the perfect length that I want to cut my Brazilian wool into. That is what I'm showing you. So this is the only way you can achieve the perfect length and you won't waste your Brazilian wool. Now I'm going to pick 10 strands of Brazilian wool. Yes, 10 strands for each coil. But if you want your coils to be tighter than mine, you can use 7 strands or you can use 6 strands. But I use 10 strands for mine. So after I finish picking the 10 strand, I'm going to brush it. We are going to start from the tip. Please brush from the tip. Do not brush from the top, or else the wool will get tangled. So you have to brush from the tip first, then you start going up, brushing up. And make sure you check the Brazilian wool when you finish brushing. Make sure you section it. It should be very easy to section. It should not be tangled, or else you won't get the coils. It will be very difficult for you to section the coils when you finish achieving it. You can see how my hole separates very easy. So now we want to start wrapping the Brazilian around the coil, around the nail coiler. Yes, I call it nail coiler because it looks like a nail, a screw nail. So you can see I'm just showing you guys how you have to wrap it round. Then I take my hand to the back, not to the front. If you take your hand to the front, it won't stay, as in you won't get the way you are meant to wrap it round. You understand? So can you please keep on enjoying, keep on watching this amazing tutorial. And please guys, please and please do not forget to like. Make sure you click on the like button. I really appreciate your support and love. Keep on watching guys. So guys, this is all the amount I achieved. I used 2 pack of Brazilian wool for this. Yes, 2 pack. Then make sure the water is very hot. Please be careful with hot water. I beg of you, be careful with hot water. Make sure it's air dry, guys. Make sure this air dry completely. It won't air dry for a day, but if your side is very sunny, it can air dry for a day. But here now we are in 4. Yes, I think we are in 4 now. Yeah, so that is it. Unravel it like that. It's very easy to unravel. So now I'm going to separate it for you guys to see what it looks like. Yes, I'm going to separate this for you to see. And guys, watch out for the final part of this tutorial, because I'm going to be using this to achieve something. So watch out for that video. I don't want to mention what I'm going to be using this DIY to achieve, you understand? So I'm going to separate it. Take your time when you want to separate it. Make sure you get how you want to separate so that it won't get scattered. So can you see, you can separate this into 4. If you want, you can still separate it into 2. You can't crochet it like this, it will be very big. So you can separate it into 4. So that is all for the video. Please don't forget to click on the like button. Please subscribe to this amazing channel. Please, I really appreciate your love, your support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. As I just say, stay blessed always. Bye.